Good morning, Eastside Medical Center. How can I help you?
Hello. I'd like to book an appointment to see a doctor, please. I've been feeling quite unwell lately.
I'm sorry to hear that. Are you a registered patient here?
No, I'm new to the area. My name is Nicholas Henderson.
Could you spell your first name for me, please?
It's Nicholas, and my surname is Henderson, Henderson.
Thank you, Nicholas. And what is your date of birth?
It's the 12th of July, 1992.
Got it. Now, what seems to be the problem?
Well, I've had a very bad cough for about a week now. It started last Tuesday. I also have a bit of a fever, but the cough is the main thing.
I see. We have an opening this afternoon at 2:15 p.m. with Dr. Gupta.
Oh, I'm afraid I'm at work then. Do you have anything after 4 p.m.?
Let me check. We have 4:30 p.m. today, but that's with Dr. Lowe. Or we have 9 a.m. tomorrow morning with Dr. Gupta again.
I'll take the 4:30 slot today, please.
Perfect. And just one more thing. Could I have a contact number?
Sure, it's 077-00900-348.
Is that 348 or 384?
It's 348.
Great. We are located at 142 West Street, right next to the library. See you then.